Hi, welcome back to You Can Do It. This is episode 5 of the greenhouse build, and today we're going to be installing these rafters as well as all of those fiberglass roofing panels for the greenhouse. And then because this is a design build, we did decide that we wanted to add on a little pop out with a sink and some shelving and just a good general area for all the potting needs that a garden house or greenhouse would require. Keep in mind, again, we sourced all of this. So it is either going to be from the marketplace, from Craigslist, or from one of those next door apps. People were either giving away stuff, they just wanted to get rid of miscellaneous items, or we got them for a lot less expense than if we were to go to just buy them brand new at a big box store. Here's an example. The roofing panels here, these are made for a greenhouse. They're fiberglass. They have a 15-year warranty on them. We sourced them out for $12 each from somebody wanting to just get rid of their miscellaneous roofing panels. If we were to buy those at the big box store, this particular brand's $140 a panel. So difference, $12 versus $140 per panel. So that's the kind of stuff we did in this entire greenhouse build to really build something that looks great, but on a very much smaller budget than if we were to buy this all new. So stay tuned for this episode.
Installing the rafter tails now. I have a board sitting up there. It's a 2x4 by 12 foot long. We've painted it, and now I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw a line up there with my level so that when I go to install my fascia board, it'll be nice and straight. So the easiest way is to just stick your rafter tail up there, your first one, as your template, and I'm just going to go up and I'm just going to mark it with my torpedo level. Just come right to the end here. Level it up.